One position for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, jump. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then go back 11, 12, like that. It goes till 100. So and same green and red disc are used here. In floor days, it was still 20. Here it is still 100. So now suppose, now we tell a child to show me number 45. So what he will do, initially he will count 1, 2 and reach 45 in 5 minutes. Later on he knows till here it is 10, 20, 30, 40 and 45 is here. So this is also will give a very clear mental picture for them where the numbers are, the position of numbers. So this is 45. What comes before 45, after 45 also they can know. So this is 45. I put this green in 35. Which is greater, which is smaller? They can, number comparisons can be done. So now counting in tens.
10, 20.
Yeah.
30.
30. Actually, we are standing and putting the do, so it's little uncomfortable. If it is kept on the table, it's very easy. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So counting in tens till 50.
10, 20, 30,
40.
40.
And 150.
50.
Yeah. This we did counting in tens. Now we can do something called put the disc on 93. 93.
10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 91, 92, 93.
Yeah, very good. Yeah. I think that's clear now. You can do, and what comes after 93, before 93, all these things we can teach. I think this is easier. It is a visual representation of number from 1 to 100. I think, and there is a gap between 5 to 6, 15 to 16, like that. So this becomes very clear to them, all the positions of different numbers.